Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So my kids have been going crazy over the Popeye chicken sandwich just like everybody else. I've had it once and I don't think I prefer it over the Chick-fil-A. But anyway, last week I decided to make it for dinner, and since I make it, they have been asking me when am I gonna make it again? When am I gonna make it again? They really like it. Anyways, I decided to share it with you guys. This is my take on it because the sandwich was pretty simple. It just had pickles, mayonnaise, a brioche bun, and chicken breast. That was it. It was pretty simple. So I decided to try make it, and yeah, I'm sure that they did theirs different. They probably put theirs in the, what do you call it, the buttermilk, and do the double dip thing and all of that. But I'm not gonna do all that fancy stuff. I'm just gonna use egg to get the flakiness, and that's it. So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe, and please remember to share with a friend.